Hi guys, you're surprised to see me and I'm surprised to see you too. Well, I guess you're like why is he showing his face? Well, that's a whole different story and all that. Today I want to talk about how to stop transposing. Yes, transposing. Why am I talking about transposing? Well, this video is not about hating on transposing or why you shouldn't transpose and all that. There's a whole lot of debate about it, and it's not the focus of my topic. But the little I can say is if you really want to take your playing up another level, you should consider finding ways to stop transposing if you're transposing. And there's nothing wrong with transposing. Today I want to share steps that help me to stop transposing, and I guess those will help you as well. So step number 1, learn your major scales. I can't emphasize this enough. Learn your major scales in all keys. So I'm talking about do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, on the keys, I mean C, you have the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Learn it in all your 12 keys. That's your C, your C sharp, your D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, A flat, A, B flat, B. I mean, master all those 12 keys. And you know the formula. I'll put the formula up there, or I'll put it down here somewhere. That's the intervals you need to learn. But this video is not for beginners, so if you're a beginner, I'd suggest you check out my other videos for beginners, and that will help you. All right, 2, learn your major chords. Your major chord is built on the 1, the 3rd, and the 5th intervals of the major scale. Learn it in all 12 keys. Okay, the same, play your major chord. Step 1, your major chord. So let me give you a plan. Let's say a 3-week plan to break away from transposing. Okay, it's not the only solution to stop transposing. It's not the only way. It's not going to come easy, but trust me, these are steps I personally took that helped me. So let's go through them. Week 1, learn your major scales. Week 2, learn your major chords. And I'll give you the last and the bonus point, which is learning your minor chords. Okay, how do you form a minor chord? A major chord is what? The 1, the 3rd, and the 5th intervals of the scale. A minor chord will be the 1, the flat 3rd, and the 5th notes of the major scale. Now, will these help? Yes, these will help. Because once you find yourself in a new key and you have no idea, everything looks confusing. And trust me, I've looked at this little boy here and it's like, oh man, everything is... And one key I never liked was the key of B. Whoever plays in B, whoever plays in F sharp, whoever plays in E or A. And guess what? I mean, I play in those keys. I actually prefer to play in some of these keys better than others. So yes, there's a sure way to help you to break out from transposing. If you want to keep transposing, that's cool. There's nothing wrong with it. I transposed, but I'm out of it. And you can too. You can get out of it. All right. Let me know your comments. Now, this is my first video, so no hate, no hating. No hating. Put your constructive criticism, whatever you want to put there. I love you guys. Subscribe, like, share the video. Whatever you want to learn, what's the next video you want me to work on, I'm right here for you. It's your boy, Danny Boy. See you in the next video.